Automated Soldering Unit OMEGA. This unit can be widely adapted for semi and fully automated processes as well as linear actuators. Capable of two-way communication between the OMEGA controller and PC software. Software can receive temperature data and read, write solder conditions and system parameters values from a PC. A newly designed touch panel provides for intuitive operations. The current system status can be displayed at a glance. I/O check function. Auto-tuning function sets the PID parameters automatically for precise temperature control. Compatible with Industry 4.0.